In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can leave feedback on shared pages. So before you look for a page from someone else, I want you to have a look and make sure that other people can see your page. So you need to go up to Portfolio, and on here you'll see that there are two options about shared pages. There's a shared by me and a shared with me. So first of all, we're going to go to shared by me. And then you'll see a list of your pages and if they are accessible to any other groups. So you can see that my Transform assessment page is actually accessible by my Transform group. But if this isn't here, if you click on the key for Edit Access, this will then allow you to add access for your page so that other people in that group will be able to look at it. Don't forget that when you're doing this, you need to check that the Allow Comments box has been ticked. So that's all fine for me. Now what I need to do is find the page that I'm going to leave feedback on. So my teacher has already told me that I'm going to be looking at Mrs. Arding's page. So now I need to go to the Shared With Me page. And now I can see all of the pages that have been shared with my Transform group. Now, if there's lots of them, you may want to just use the search box and you can just type in the surname of the person you're looking for, and then it will just show you their pages. The one that I need is the Autumn page. So if I click on that, it will take me to Mrs. Arding's Autumn assessment page. Here we go. Now, I'm looking at how well written her targets are so that I can leave a what went well and even better if comment. So I've opened up the skills grids so that I can look at them, and then I'm going to read the target. So for Creative Thinker, it says that she's currently working at a basic level, and to improve, her target will be to develop her idea as she goes through the project. This means that I can adapt my idea after feedback or when I think of a better way of doing something. Okay, so this target is fairly good. It states what she needs to do and it gives a little bit of information about how she's going to show that. So now I need to leave her a comment about this. So I scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and down here you can see there's a section for feedback. Click on the Place Feedback button, and now I've got a text box that I can write in. So I'm going to leave a what went well comment and an even better if comment for her. So I'm just going to have a think about that now. I've now had a think about what I wanted to write, and I've written a very simple what went well comment. Your target is easy to read and to understand. And then I've added a little question in the even better if section. So I've asked, how will you show that your target has been reached? And then I've given a suggestion for what she could do. So maybe she should keep a record of the changes that have been made. I can put a rating down here if I wish. I think it's quite good, so I'm going to give her 4 stars. I want it to be public so that everyone can see it. If I wanted to, I could add a file, so maybe if she didn't have the skills grids on there, I could add the skills grids files for her, but she has, so I'm not going to worry about that today. Then I just click Place Feedback, and then it's done. So now, when Mrs. Arding goes back to her page, she scrolls down, she will be able to see the comment that I've written. What you will now need to do is go back to your own page and have a look at the feedback that someone else has given you and then respond to it. So you could ask them a question about what they've written, or you could suggest the way that you're going to improve based on what they have written. And that's all on